Hello foodies, welcome to The Better Product. I'm incredibly excited to welcome you to this amazing channel. Today, we have a topic that will be of interest to anyone who loves to cook and wants to make the most efficient use of their time. The 5 best air fryers of 2024. On this channel, I always aim to bring you the best quality products and smart choices, and this video is a reflection of that. Now, let's take a quick look at the leading air fridges that we have specially selected for you and evaluated in 5 different main categories. Are you ready? Let's kick things off by delving into our favorite in the small air fryer category. The Ninja 4-quart air fryer. Trust me, this device is a total game changer. This little Ninja not only grabs the crown for the best small air fryer, but also outshines larger fryers with more presets in our tests. It's proof that size isn't everything. The results? Nearly flawless cooking, whether it's garlic, wings, shrimp, or the all-important fries. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to its perfect non-stick coating, and using it is a dream with its quiet operation. And that compact design? Oh, it's a lifesaver when it comes to storage. While its settings might be simpler compared to those fancy models, it nails all the classic air fryer functions like a pro. Adding a bit of technical talk. Basket style, 4 quarts, dimensions 8.5 x 12.3 x 11 inches, and presets for air frying, roasting, reheating, and dehydrating. It's a compact powerhouse that does the job seamlessly. To sum it up, if you're on the lookout for a small yet mighty air fryer, the Ninja 4-quart is the way to go, especially with its reasonable price tag of around $90. Let's talk about another rock star on our list, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 10-quart air fryer. This bad boy takes the crown in the big league of air fryers, promising to be a real trendsetter for your kitchen. Now, this beast not only whips up killer fries, wings, and air-fried apples, but also makes your life a breeze with its crystal clear display and idiot-proof instructions. Cleanup, piece of cake, thanks to the removable tray and rotisserie attachment. Sure, it might not flaunt any fancy smart features, but let me tell you, the presets and the cool add-ons on this jumbo air fryer make it a versatile sidekick in your kitchen. Now let's get a bit geeky, oven style with a rotisserie twist, 10 quarts of cooking space. Dimensions rocking at 1323 x 1323 x 14.3 inches, and presets covering air fry, grill, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, and rotisserie. So, if you're on the hunt to jazz up your kitchen game and serve up some lip-smacking goodness to your crew, the Instant Vortex 10-quart air fryer is the MVP you've been waiting for. Our third product on the list, the shining star in the best with flex zone category, is the Ninja DZ071 Foodi FlexBasket air fryer. Ninja has been in the game of dual zone air fryers for a few years, but it's this flexible zone feature that truly sets it apart. Picture this, you're making your crispy fries on one side while cooking your salmon on the other, both getting perfectly done simultaneously without interfering with each other. That's where the flex option comes into play. More surface area, no need to stack or shuffle midway through cooking. In our tests, this air fryer delivered outstanding results on chicken wings and homemade fries. Easy to use, with a generous capacity when you need it. It offers perfect versatility for large families and frequent hosts. Let's dive a bit deeper. A cooking marvel with 7 quarts of capacity, dimensions measuring 18 x 11 x 11 inches, and presets for air fry, air broil, baka, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. So, are you ready to elevate your cooking game and add a bit of comfort and flexibility? The Ninja Dual Zone Air Fryer is exactly the kitchen companion you've been searching for. Our 4th star in the best budget category, which we believe will maintain its leadership for long periods, is the Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer. When it comes to style and functionality, this Cosori air fryer takes the crown as the best budget option. It performs like a superstar, delivering excellent results at a price that won't break the bank, outshining any 4 to 6 quart models we put to the test. Surprisingly spacious for a 5-quart model, this air fryer is a pleasant surprise for anyone who loves a roomy basket. The preheat cycle adds an extra layer of efficiency, crisping up your foods in no time. Fries, wings, and shrimp all come out with flying colors. But wait, there's more. The temperature and time settings are easily adjustable down to the minute, giving you a level of precision that's often lacking in other air fryers. In our recent tests, we've explored other Cosori models, like the Cosori Pro 2, but none could match the Pro LE. Compact and powerful, it's the ideal size for most households. So, if you're ready to embark on a culinary journey without breaking the bank, the Cosori 5-quart air fryer is your trusty sidekick. And finally, we reveal our overall best air fryer across all categories. The air fryer that stands out is the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart model from Instant Brands, a name many of us are familiar with. You might know Instant Brands for their famous rice cooker, but let me tell you, their air fryers have truly revolutionized the game of kitchen appliances. If you're looking for accessible and top-performing tools without breaking the bank, Instant Brands is only rivaled by Ninja. Our current favorite, The Instant Vortex Plus 6 quart hits the sweet spot with its ideal capacity, not too oversized, featuring a wide square basket that comfortably accommodates fries and wings without overcrowding. The presets are just right, providing a user-friendly experience. The air circulation and power delivered outstanding cooking results in all our tests. From challenging coconut shrimp to Brussels sprouts, this air fryer excelled in every task. Operating quietly, it's perfect for a busy kitchen, and its non-stick interior makes cleanup a breeze. In summary, if you're on the lookout for a reliable, efficient, and budget-friendly kitchen companion, the Instant Vortex Plus 6 quart is the right choice for you. As you can see, these air fryers offer excellent options to take your kitchen experience to another level. Thank you for watching our video to help you choose the one that best suits your needs. Don't forget to stay followed for more review videos from us. Happy cooking and enjoy your delicious meals.